Preserve on the west coast of, or I'm sorry, the east coast of Florida, United States. It's really breezy out, so I hope you can hear me. But it's called Blowing Rocks, and it's on the east coast of the United States in Hobe Sound, which is just north of West Palm Beach. And they have these beautiful limestone rock formations behind me, which you can see are taller than me, and they're really cool. And apparently when it's high tide, the water goes up through those rocks and shoots up into the air, and it looks pretty cool. So unfortunately, I am not here at high tide, which I thought it was going to be, because I looked at the high tide schedule and I thought it was going to be high tide until 5:30, and it's a little bit after 4 o'clock, I think, or around 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, or for those in Europe and other places, 1600. So I'm gonna do a little exploring around here. The wind is blowing really hard, so I don't know if I can get the drone out, but I'm gonna try to get a little bit of drone footage for you guys. And I wish it was a better day. I wish it was a nicer day out. It's not. I mean, there's rain clouds in the background, and it's just been kind of cloudy and crappy all day today. So we'll see what happens. But anyway, it's a really cool place. It'd be a great place to come on a beautiful, nice day. So if you get a chance, Hobe Sound, and it's called Blowing Rocks Preserve, and it's on the barrier island just off of the coast of Florida. So I will get back to you guys soon, and I'll let you know what I discover. Talk to you soon. It's Backpacker Mike signing out from Hobe Sound and Blowing Rocks Preserve.